Hi everyone, it's Carl here. I'm going to do a taste test review of Hall's Mentho-Liptus flavor. And I guess it has a cooling flavor meter of 4 out of 5 circles. And I got this 200 drop value pack around between $7 and $8 at Sam's Club. And here are the drug stacks if you're interested. Let's try one of these out. See what I think about the flavor. Got icy peppermint flavor to it. Pretty decent flavor in it. I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10 because it's for between the flavor and the quantity I got. So yeah, let me know what you think. Would you try it? Yes or no? And have a nice day. Bye now.